Hey guys, it is week 3, and I just want to make sure everybody's doing okay. Next week is our first exam. This exam is taken at home, and we'll all go all the way to the input-output matrices section. Don't forget, I have this Let's Talk discussion board. If you do have any questions for me, you can always post it here. I can make a video or find an image or explain anything that you might be having a question about. Notice that this week we're going to have 3 different topics. We do have one discussion and we will have a quiz. That quiz will open tomorrow and it will be over these 3 different topics. And then next week you'll have an exam 1 review that does not count for points, but I highly recommend it because it's very much like the exam itself. And then exam 1 will open on the 1st of February and it closes on the 11th of February. And you just need to find a 2-hour period where you can sit down and work on that. I'll have more information about that next week. Keep the questions coming via email and let me know how your week's going.